let's talk about some of the biggest lessons that we've learned
Whew.
in 2022. Troy, you want to start?
Yeah, it's easy. Patience. Patience. Like we said, we don't make many moves, and when we do move, we're very strategic about it. We're very calculated about it, but we're also very patient about it. And I've watched it happen. I watched it around my peers. I've watched them not be patient, and I've watched them sell off things, and I've watched them take losses. And I've sat there and I decided, you know what, I'm sticking to my script. I'm just going to be patient. And so the culminating event obviously was at the Apollo when I'm just like, look, the market pays those who are patient. And I'm saying that because that's what I've done for the past 17, 18 months. It's just been like, all right, this is going to be my new technique. This is going to be my new strategy. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to trust my investments. I'm going to do all the things necessary to make sure that it's a great investment. I'm doing my research. Now, just be patient with them. So my lesson, and it'll be my lesson for the next 10 years, is just be patient with the market. It'll pay those who are. That's my lesson. Hopefully you've learned something.
Yeah. My lesson is pay attention to the news. It really makes you a better investor. So like when we spoke about Facebook,
Mm-hmm.
remember we talked about Facebook and metaverse, and we invested in that, and Facebook has done well since then. The chip shortage, we talked about that a lot. And obviously SMH has done well. Going back even before or at the beginning stages of a corona, when they had a published article about Moderna when they were still trying to find a vaccine. It was public information, wasn't a secret. All you had to do was just read and just pay a little attention to the news. So I say that to say a lot of stuff is hidden in plain sight when people, are just looking for different things. It doesn't really take a rocket scientist to kind of figure some things out. We talk about Apple all the time and all of the different innovations that they're doing. Microsoft, the same thing. So Nike just posted that where they were quick, heavy on the NFT. Nike's NFT thing is going to be really, really big.
Adidas has one too. Do you see that?
Yeah, but I'm saying with Nike, with every single shoe having an NFT attached to it, because counterfeit is $1 billion industry. So that's going to really be a real big thing, and that's a real smart utilization for NFTs. So just paying attention and keeping your eyes open to what's going on around you can actually, make you a lot of money.
Yeah, I think that Facebook thing is interesting because if people pay attention to the news, they would have been caught up in the scandal, right? It was a whistleblower. That was the news at the time. That Monday we came on, we talked about the whistleblower. But behind that was like, yo, there's an announcement coming Thursday. And so the stock kind of fell because of the whistleblower and all the things that were going on with that. But on the back end was like, yo, they got this announcement coming Thursday that's going to be huge. And so yeah.
And everybody knew what the announcement was. It wasn't a secret.
It was like, yo, they're changing the name.
Yeah, they leaked it. It was everybody knew what the metaverse was coming. What can you do? Yeah. Reading is fundamental. And if you don't like to read, just listen.
Yeah, we'll take care of you.
Particularly to Market Mondays.
Well, yeah, we'll
I made you money. Please put yes in chat.
So what's your takeaway from the year, Ian?
One, most people, and I say it all the time, and I know most people don't want to be rich. Going back to the reading level, I was reading a report earlier today that 1/3 of all Americans in the United States of America today read at less than the 5th grade level. I'll say it again. 1/3 of all Americans in the United States read at less than the 5th grade level. That's one. As a result, that costs us like $2.3 trillion a year. So when I say China's already won the war, it's over. Number two, I don't think as a community we realize what kind of power we have. I did some research and I've been talking to, some people behind the scenes. It's like the 1960s, there's been 9,324 TV shows made, right? We're the first one in history to tell people where to invest in the market and have this level of accuracy. We literally could have went bankrupt if we would have got this shit wrong, being sued. So as a community, if we can affect investing, and you mentioned politics, health, even getting along, right? I think we can be the generation that changes the world for the better, but it all starts with action. And I implore all of you, just take action every single day and to do better. And it's really not that hard, like you said. Especially like when I've done all the research for you guys, all you got to just do is buy and keep the profit. You're good. But I'm telling you, I'm begging you, for those of you who do not like to read, at least do 2 pages a day, because when it's marketed, like they're doing a lot of things on purpose. Let me ask this: who owns the American education system? Exactly. Okay. And then who owns the company that owns that? Once you do a little bit of research, you can see the people that provide a lot of our resources for education are actually our enemy. Please be mindful. I'm gonna keep us on air. Don't worry.
Hey, thank you.
Appreciate you.
My graduates from my school being Forbes, bag drop.
Bag drop.
A mic drop, bag drop.
Bag drop.